Hey guys, oh my gosh, back at it again, another video. This is such a impromptu video. This wasn't in the plans, but it's here. It's coming to you guys anyway. So I don't even know what made me feel the need to want to tie my dogs are playing. There's different steps when it comes to natural hair care, but today we're gonna focus on wash day. How long does it take me to wash my thick natural hair? Let's get to it. Hey guys, Editor Lolly here. I just wanted to quickly pop in and say thanks for watching, and I hope that you guys are really enjoying today's video. Now, while I was making this video, I really did not understand the purpose of it. I had the idea, but I really did not want this video to be interpreted the wrong way. During filming, I had to keep reminding myself to slow down. Take your time. If I rushed, I risked breakage, and that does not align with the goals that I've set for my hair. So after filming this video, I had to really sit down to try to understand what the purpose of this video was. And it was revealed to me that the purpose of this video was for me to share with you guys the time that I have chosen to invest in my hair. Every wash day is not going to be the same. We have so many hairstyles to choose from, which require different amount of time. This video was not about figuring out the fastest way to do my natural hair. This video is about choosing to be relaxed, choosing to be calm, choosing to be gentle, and having a good time doing my hair. That took me 46 minutes. So for this particular, oh, I got one more. Okay, I'm gonna do the last one with you guys. For this particular hairstyle, my hair did not require me to have too much tangles because the puff puff hairstyle is it's a wonderful natural hairstyle that I am currently in love with right now. It allows my hair to not tangle. I feel like the only part of my hair that really gets like tangled up or some type of matting going on is at the roots. And that's because this part of my hair is what is being exposed in that puff puff hairstyle. So my hair shaft just be chilling, tucked in there. But then once we get to the roots, that's when most of the matting comes from. But that part is just so simple to detangle for me. Yes, we love that. And what I'm really doing is just bringing all that knotted hair down the hair shaft. Oh, my hair looks so good. And what exactly I just did, I didn't just detangle and pre-poo, I took down the hairstyle. Okay, so taking down, pre-pooing, and detangling, all of that took me about 45-46 minutes. which is interesting. It's cool. It's cool to know. And I feel like the beautiful thing about it is that every wash day is not the same. Every wash day is not the same. You have different hairstyles, different protective styles, different natural hairstyles that require different timing. Okay, so now that we're gearing off to shampoo my hair, oh my god. I'm sorry y'all, but this is like, it feels new. Like the way that my hair has just been flourishing lately has been mind-blowing to me, to be honest with you guys. It's just a candid moment, you know. Well, before I move on to the next step, which is shampooing, I am going to be detox rinsing my scalp. I've been doing this for a couple wash days and my scalp has been loving it. That part. It gives me like a minty sizzling sensation for my scalp and just helps break down product buildup. Just really good. So this is gonna be my moment to give myself a scalp massage. That's great. So actually when I was done washing my first wash, it was around like 5 minutes. It was around there, but you know, I had to set up the camera. So of course that added some time, but we're gonna give grace for that. This is the step that I felt was so important. Let me say looked into more in-depth cleansing my hair and everything. I feel like my density has thickened for sure. When it comes to shampooing, I have to go back in and kind of try to touch areas where I missed with the shampoo. That's why I like to go back into every twist and just do that extra little step for myself. So I'm actually gonna start my second wash and see how long that takes. This is ASMR right now. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm done. Let me stop the time. Oh, how long did that take? Less than 20 minutes. And I feel so fresh. I feel so new. I feel reborn. I've been needing to wash my hair for the past 3-4 days. So you can just imagine how just washing your hair feels like. But this is my hair, y'all. Ooh. I'm gonna rinse this out and then come back to put in some deep conditioner and then just show you guys the final results and calculate all my time together to see how long it took me to wash my fake natural hair. You can't. go. Hey, hey, hey. I'm done, done. My time, which was about an hour and 35 minutes for today's wash day, is the time that I have chosen to invest. And again, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. And it's been a while since I've recorded a longer version video, and I had so much fun doing so. Now, even though it has been a while since I've filmed a longer version video, I have been so consistent in uploading and sharing some shorts, you know, talking with you guys in the community section of my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh. When I say that you guys have been so incredible when it comes to engaging on the community posts, what? It has been so incredibly fun to interact with you guys, and even y'all sharing your experiences, your ideas, and even suggestions when it comes to anything and everything natural hair. It really makes my heart so happy seeing our community grow, and I appreciate every single like, every single share, and every single comment. Y'all have been such a blessing to me, and I cannot wait to continue to see our community grow. And with that being said, that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You're not subscribed? Wait, hold on. You're not subscribed yet? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you are notified every single time I post a new video. And I really do not want you guys to miss. So with that being said, you guys, I love y'all. I do. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.